Hello everybody, it's time to test out the heaters for 2023-2024 heater season. To start out with, I have cleaned the returns and vacuumed the void underneath. So that's all nice and clean now. Probably go ahead and throw in a new filter. It's a good time to do that. And the first heater, of course, we'll be starting with is the 2021 Carrier gas furnace. I've now got my filter. Put a new filter in it before I start it up. Definitely dirty. Now this part is optional, but I like to do it. Just wipe down the flat surfaces inside that I can get to easily. And just make sure no wires are touching any metal. Everything's isolated. Looks to be good here. So we'll fire this up and see how it's doing. And if you have to see what the thermostat looks like, it's just a basic total line from about 2003. Alright, that ought to give us a good shot of the burners when they fire. Alright, the inducer kicked on. And now it's just an observation just to make sure everything's going okay. Don't want to see any flames go blowing back out at me or anything, especially when the blower motor kicks on. Okay, we have igniter. Gas valve and ignition. Go in here and take a closer look. Nice bright blue flames. We have blower, and I don't see any flames rolling back at me. So I think we're good. And then there goes that wonderful smell. So I'll let that chooch for a little while and shut it off. Now that I'm satisfied that it's working okay, put the cover back on it. Go give it a air temperature test now. Let's see what we're chooching at. Getting up there. 88.7. Should get up into the 100s. But I can definitely feel some warm air coming on now. A couple minutes later, we're getting up into the 100s now, so that's a good thing. So I have confidence this will work just fine. So yeah, we're getting 109, 110, 113. So yep, this is gonna work. Just a quick note, one of my grandfather's things is we have a log of when the filters are changed, so there's no surprises. So once again, this has been starting up the 2021 Carrier gas furnace. Go ahead and shut it down. Thank you for watching.